For me. Praise the Lord! Praise the Lord! Thank you, Filipino Homes. Thank you, Prime World. And thank you, and congratulations to all winners. Thank you.
Wow! Grabe, ano? Wow!
Pagkasyente, ay nagkakaroon na balay na as Jensan, kagpuyog ka sa Danao. Wow, grabihan, nagkakagawa yan eh. What can you say?
Grabe, boss. Kailangan ko. Kasi, share na ko gamay, boss. I wasn't able to attend yesterday because my kids were sick. So I had to change my schedule that came here early this morning. First, motion dyan, pamangkubos. Yeah, I didn't expect this. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Thank you, Prime World, for this. And Filipino Homes. Grabe. We'll just believe our dreams to come true in Filipino Homes.
Woo! Grabe.
Picture for our documentation. Okay, together with the winner of the commercial lab by Prime World.
Prime World yan, iba, mag-iba.
Wow, thank you very much, Erwin and Boss Alex. Thank you. So, any announcement?